Alright guys, we are back at IKEA, so come shop with me, subscribe, like, comment, share. Let's get started. Alright you all, so our mission in this video was to find some white curtains. I wanted white because white really, like I said, it opens up the space. And being that the update video is going to be out when this video is out, you're going to see why I'm going for these particular type of curtains. So you can just see me here. I'm just strolling through IKEA looking for curtains. I saw a lot of off-white ones. I'm not really looking for curtains that are kind of like draping all the way to the floor, but I'm looking for them to be long enough. So I'm just going through and, I'm deciding on, what style, texture, color that I want. But really, I knew that I was in here for white. They had a lot of off-white, and I'm even considering maybe bleaching the curtains. Who knows? But I definitely needed curtains that had texture, but they were kind of like sheer for the middle part of our curtains in our, our window feature. This was a really cute one, but a little too long. And basically I decided on, the mesh curtains that I first showed you guys on this video, that we first landed on. I'm getting ready to kind of like zoom into them, but they had a lot of different options for sheer white curtains. So I'm just like looking around, looking for texture, looking for just brightness, you guys. The ones that I got, I believe they're called the Lil. They are good because I think that you can cut them to adjust them, like size wise. And you can see I'm over here just, showing you guys the different options. Those lace ones were really, really pretty. So I might consider those maybe for another room. But I'm really feeling the Lil curtains, and those are them there. They're just a little bit shorter, but they look awesome. So you guys are gonna see that when I put the curtains and things back up in the remodel update. Okay, on to rugs. You guys, I already have the Safavieh rug in ivory that's going in, the cafe breakfast area. But I am looking also for an abstract rug, just to maybe refresh my living room rug. So IKEA is the place. They have so many different rugs. And I even saw a lot of different colors, patterns, and a lot of kind of like RH type of dupes as well. Okay, so like I was saying, guys, IKEA also had a lot of restoration hardware kind of dupe rugs. They just have like something for everybody, like whether you like that modern style rug, if you have boho style to where you like rugs that have like that boho look, Southwest, or just even abstract rugs or just the traditional rugs. They have something in there for like everyone. And I just was thinking, looking around and seeing a lot of different patterns and things that I was really liking. But this particular time I didn't really put my finger on what rug I'm looking for the living room, but they did have a lot of options in here. And also, I think that this is something that is new that they have at IKEA, where the rugs, like right here, they're made out of like recycled materials. So this is what I'm talking about. These rugs look more so boho. They have like the tassels and stuff on it, you know, the Southwest kind of geometric patterns. I was really feeling the textures of a lot of them. Like I was drawn to this one. It was like a dark kind of color. And these ones over here that have like the different shades of gray and like textiles and texture and everything. So there's a lot of options for rugs at IKEA. So y'all should definitely, if you have time, go and check out IKEA if you're looking for like an area rug, or you know, just everything from a bath mat to an area rug, anything. IKEA has it, and they have like a lot of different textures, styles, patterns. And I just like that little, you know, that fact that now they're, you know, creating rugs made out of recycled materials, because, you know, that's friendly towards our planet and everything. Like, I like that blue rug, but I would probably do that for a different room. Okay, so these rugs here look like restoration hardware to me. They give me like that RH vibe. I'm just really getting that vibe from these rugs. Like I said, they have something for everyone. Didn't really find what I was looking for, but y'all should definitely check out these rugs if you're into like that restoration hardware type of look, because these are really just like giving that vibe off. Every time I see a royal blue couch, you guys, I just am like, oh, my dream color couch. That is why I had to put that color in my breakfast nook area. I love my little couch that I have for my breakfast nook. That royal blue is exactly what it is, royal. It's very like luxe to me. I love how it looks, velvet on a, you know, on a Chesterfield sofa. It looks awesome. All right, so another thing that I came to IKEA for, you guys, is lighting. And if you guys have been watching like my series, I just did a RH dupe video. That black sidebar kind of cabinet, I need lighting for over that, with a mirror over that. So I came here looking for lighting to go over the mirror. If you're looking for the mirror that I got, definitely make sure you check out the update videos for this remodel refresh. It's all on the home decor playlist so that you can see what I'm talking about. But they had tons of options for the lighting also. So you see these lights here that we're looking at, more so like that brass color light is what I want to put over that particular cabinet. Just to have that little light effect. It's going to be so beautiful. I can't wait for y'all to see that, like everything back in the space. So stay tuned for that. But they had tons of options for like wall lights, and I was really feeling this. Okay guys, so the next thing that I think that you guys should check IKEA out for is because they have these very large gallery kind of style picture frames that are like RH looking, and they had them for like such reasonable prices. Like you guys could create like so much artwork and put it up, if you know whatever style. A lot of people who have the modern style, they use these type of picture frames, so inexpensive. And look at like, I mean, look at the size of these for artwork that you can put up in your space. So I definitely spent a lot of little time in their picture frame section. And what I'm about to do, guys, is I got the curtains and I'm on the hunt for also baskets. So you guys will see this, you know, on another video as I put everything back together. But I'm just, you know, showing you guys last minute little things that I came to IKEA for to try to put this space together. Okay, so also I just wanted to tell you guys, when I filmed this is happening during the holiday time. So IKEA must have been out of a lot of things, or people have, you know, shopped like crazy during the holidays and bought up everything. But, you know, the basic stuff they had, but a lot of feature stuff they didn't really have a lot of because maybe like people, like I said, they've been shopping like crazy. That's going on right now. Like, you notice before like the holiday, it's a lot of stuff, and then during like toward Christmas and stuff like that, they're out of everything. So that's what's going on. Like if you see like empty stuff, you know, they have the basic staples, but I'm probably gonna come back maybe like a couple of months from now to re-up on some stuff when everything has, you know, calmed down a little bit. Okay, I also needed some baskets last minute, and these are so cute. You guys should definitely check out these baskets that IKEA has. I love the texture, the color. You know, I'm just thinking about some greenery and stuff that I can put in this, and you know, to liven up my space. I love plants. I love that sort of thing, and it just really makes the space look good. Also, I found like some planters that you guys would be able to use that's right behind this if you want to try to do like maybe like the IKEA dupe, to where you can you can find like a ridged planter to spray paint, put plaster or whatever you want to do to it, sand, and make it look like that aged look. But man, these were so cute, and I feel like they would really add a lot to my space. But these are the planters that I was talking about, guys. Like they already have the ridges. Like, so if you wanted to spray paint these to give it that RH look and to age them, they would look so nice. You know, maybe with the birds of paradise or some type of palm plant that you want to put in there. So cute. And I seen these as I was heading out. But stay tuned, guys, for the home decor update and the remodel, because that video is coming after this. I just wanted to show you all the curtains and different stuff that I was picking up at IKEA today. Thank you so much for shopping with me, and see you soon on the next video.